Welcome to the Mindful Dashboard. Today I am sharing my Notion setup for 2026, a calm, minimal, and intentional space designed to bring more clarity into your year. You won't find overwhelm here, just simple systems that feel peaceful and actually work. My 2026 setup is built around intention. Every page has a purpose, every section feels light, and nothing pulls attention away from what truly matters. Notion becomes a quiet home for ideas, tasks, and planning, not another source of noise. My entire Notion system is built around 7 simple pages: dashboard, daily, weekly, projects, areas, notes, and archive. Nothing extra, nothing complicated, just a clear structure that gives space instead of taking it. This is the heart of my system, a simple dashboard. I open every morning. It shows only what I need today and gently hides everything else. A calm space to begin the day with clarity. My daily page is simple on purpose. 1 intention, 3 important steps, a few light tasks, and a quiet space for thoughts that appear throughout the day. This page keeps me grounded. My weekly page helps me reset gently. I choose one weekly focus, set a few small goals, and review the week without judgment. It's a ritual that keeps the year moving slowly and intentionally. Projects live in their own clean database. Each project has 1 page, 1 goal, and 1 clear next action. The simpler the structure, the easier it is to finish things. Areas represent the long-term parts of my life: health, work, home, learning, finance. They don't end, they evolve. I keep them clean, minimal, and mostly hidden, only opening them when I truly need them. My notes are intentionally unstructured. Ideas need space, not tight boxes. This inbox holds thoughts, quotes, drafts, and tiny sparks, all waiting for the right moment. And finally, the archive, a calm place where finished projects and old notes can rest without cluttering your present. This is my Notion setup for 2026. Calm, minimal, intentional, a space that supports my life, not competes with it. If this helped you feel a little more grounded, feel free to like, subscribe, and tell me what you'd love to explore next. Thank you for being here.